गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरे। जो सतलोक ले जाएंगे वो साधु कोई और।
Now look at the history of Sri Krishna Ji, an incarnation of Sri Vishnu. Sri Krishna Ji, after suffering in the life form of Sri Ramchandra Ji, the same soul took birth in the form of Sri Krishna. The whole life Sri Krishna remained sad, was born in jail, mother and father were imprisoned. Sometimes maternal uncle became enemy, sometimes Putana tried to kill, sometimes Kesi, sometimes Chanor became the enemy. At times Jara Singh came to fight, sometimes there is a war with Shishupal. Arguments are happening at times. Kallevan is coming. Shri Krishna Ji renounced Mathura because of this misery and started living in such a place where no one could reach. Wise people think that protection is better than fight. Peace is better than quarreling. Shri Krishna Ji could have killed all of them because he is a departmental minister in one Trilok. There is a special power. In the creature he had the power within. But he thought, who all should I kill? Here everyone's mind is washed out. Then Shri Krishna Ji made Dwarka. There was an island in the middle of the sea which had only one gate, Dwarika, the city of one gate. Thinking that first no one would come this far, we are going to such a place, and even if someone comes there, then we can face them all from one side. So there was one gate. The other three sides of it was water. Shri Krishna Ji went there, spent most of his life there. He stayed here for a maximum of 18 or 20 years in Mathura. The rest, he lived in Dwarka. Shri Krishna Ji lived for about 200 years and he spent rest of his time in Dwarka. Now these fake saints, sages, these gurus misled us that one should walk around Govardhan and must go to Vrindavan, must go to Mathura. There our God performed spectacles, his lotus feet touched it, used to roam there, used to take bath. Hey, Shri Krishna Ji stayed there for only 20 years in Mathura. The remaining 180 years he remained in Dwarka. There remains no trace of Dwarka. That's why Dwarka was destroyed and drowned in the sea. After the death of Shri Krishna Ji, the Yadavas were destroyed. They died fighting with each other, and the rest of the women who were left were brought by Arjuna. Dwarka became empty. After that, Dwarka drowned by sea. Dwarka had gone inside sea. The reason was that God thought that they would come here again so far to waste time. That's why even its trace was erased. If there was Dwarka today, these fakes would have said that God had lived in Dwarka. We should go there. A lot of good deeds will accumulate. There was annihilation in that Dwarka. All the Yadavas had died, were chopped. Even today there are many devotees who go there. The point is that in absence of spiritual knowledge, a man wanders. Due to the absence of true spiritual knowledge, a creature wanders sometimes in Mathura, sometimes in Kashi. Then how did Shri Krishna Ji's end happen? In front of Shri Krishna Ji, the entire Yadav family died fighting amongst themselves. Grandsons, great-grandsons, relatives died, were chopped, fought amongst themselves. Seeing the whole scene, seeing that total disaster, then Shri Krishna died. If even one family member dies, then the other gets a heart attack. That person goes mad crying. So
रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।